kids, welcome to the Learning with Pathshala Rights on the Pathshala Energy. So welcome to the online Pathshala, and today's lesson for you is about the science book. So come on, open your books. Let's open the science book of class 2. So this is a science book and let's open the book. So this is your index, the contents page, and this is your chapter 1, My Body. This is the chapter 1, My Body. So you are already aware of your body, that from here to from till toe, you already know that what are the different parts of body. So let's study, let's understand the concept of my body. Your body is actually a machine. Your body is like a machine and it has various parts, and that parts you are already aware of, like the head, eyes, nose, elbow, hand, and the different parts of body. So let's move to the next page of it and understand the different concepts of the chapter. So there are parts of body. The first concept of the chapter. The second concept of the chapter is external parts. Means today we'll be studying and we'll be understanding the concept of external parts. So ये word आपके लिए maybe new होगा, external parts of body. Let's understand what is external parts of body. External parts of body are the parts of body that you can see and you can touch. Now guess what? The parts of body which you can touch: its nose, its eyes, its ears, its cheek, its neck, its elbow. Various parts of body are there which you can touch. So those body parts are external body parts, and that you can see as well as you can touch. So these parts of body are known as external body parts. Now let's understand the second concept. That let's look inside. Looking inside, you'll come to know that they are the different organs of the body. Well, what's this? Brain, heart, lungs, and the stomach. So let's understand by the method of let's understand the internal organs or the internal body parts. What's this? This is the brain. It's internal. Can you touch it? Internal body parts neither you can see nor you can touch. Means internal parts of body जो होते हैं ना आप उनको देख सकते हो और ना ही आप उसको touch कर सकते हो. But let's understand the concept of internal body parts. So what is this? This is the brain. This is what? Brain. A brain is inside the head and it also helps us to think as well as to learn. And do you know that the brain helps to the brain controls all the functions of your body. So brain is the internal organ and it's inside your head. Now let's understand and come to the heart. So what is a heart? A heart is little left side towards the chest, and heart, what does it do? Heart क्या करता है? वो pump करता है blood को to all the parts of body. So heart is the second internal organ or the internal part of body. Now let's understand the concept of lungs. This is your lungs. You can see this is your lung, this is your heart. See, this is the heart. It pumps, it's little to the left side towards your chest and it pumps the blood towards whole of your body parts. These are your lungs. Lungs are always in the pair. Lungs हमेशा पैर में होते हैं. You can see this, they are the pair. Now they are situated in the chest. Where they are situated? In the chest. ये chest में situated होते हैं and they help us to breathe. What does the lungs do? They help us to breathe. So these are the lungs. Now let's come to the another part of body, and that is the stomach. What is this? Stomach. Stomach is again, it's the internal organ and it's inside our belly. Where is the stomach situated? It's inside your belly. Now it's like a bag. You can see ये bag के जैसा है. And the stomach, what happens there? हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं वो हमारे स्टमक में जाता है और स्टमक में जो खाना होता है, जो फूड होता है, वो आपका डाइजेस्ट होता है. सो दिस इज योर स्टमक. These are the internal organs or the internal parts of the body. Parts of body being clear, external organs being clear, internal organs, and now let's understand the concept of sense organs. So, how many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. And what are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and your skin. The skin, these are your sense organs. Now the sense organs are also known as the windows of the body. They are also known as the windows of the body. Now let's understand the concept of eyes. The eyes help us to identify the shape, size and the color of the thing. Means जो eyes होती हैं वो आपको हर चीज को आइडेंटिफाई करती हैं कि किस टाइप का शेप है, साइज क्या है और कलर क्या है ऑब्जेक्ट का. Now the ears help us to hear. You already know that the ear help us to hear. Nose help us to smell the things, and the tongue, it help us to taste. And the last is the skin, help us to feel the things. Means whether the temperature is cold, hot or moderate, it help us to understand the feelings. So these are the sense organs. Now the last topic of the book, that is taking care of your body. Now how will you take care of your body? आप अपने body का care कैसे करोगे? So we should take good care of the body, because if you will not take care of your body, you will not stay healthy. So it's very important to take care of your body. So the first step is always brush your teeth twice a day. Means आपको brush करना चाहिए teeth twice a day. And we have already discussed the daily routines habits. Do watch that lesson of online Pathshala. A second step is have a bath regularly. Each and every day you should take the bath. The third step to take care of your body is wear always the neat and the tidy clothes. Means आपको हमेशा neat, साफ सुथरे और press कपड़े पहनने चाहिए. The fourth step is cut your nails regularly or cut your nails weekly. Means you should cut your nails weekly. Then eat always the healthy food. Avoid junk food, eat healthy food. And the last step is exercise regularly and do the yoga. So these are the steps you get of taking care of your body. Do take care of your body, and this was the lesson for you. But today's homework is you have to solve these exercises A, exercise B and exercise C in your textbook. Now these are your question answers. Question number D, there are the 3 questions are there. You have to write down in your notebook. You will आज का आप डेट डालोगे एंड आप चैप्टर के नेम डालोगे. देन आप अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स you have to write down in your notebook. And also question number B, complete the words. ये भी आपको अपने नोटबुक में लिखना है एंड आपको अपने वीडियो को और अपने इमेजेस को इसको शेयर करना है. So all the best, stay learning, keep learning with us, stay tuned and thank you. Have a nice day.